Barbara D out here at Guaranty RV out in Junction City, Barbara.Balcom. Today I'm going to show you a Jayco product. This is a Jayco J-Fly. It's the Rocky Mountain edition, so it's got raised axles. And the unit that I'm talking about specifically is T377-84. This is a 218. What a nice unit. It has some super nice features, you guys. A couple of things I want to point out right away is this. This is an electric tongue jack. So what that does is it lowers and raises the tongue on this onto your ball or off of it. And under this cover, we have two oversized LPG tanks with an automatic switchover. So if you ever run out of propane in the middle of the night and that furnace is running, or maybe the refrigerator, you won't have to hop out of bed and run out here in your skivvies and switch it over. So let's go on in and take a look at this. This unit is super nice. It's very easy to tow. I want the cameraman to show you right down here that it is solar ready. So what that means to you is that you can plug in. We have what's kind of like it's almost like a briefcase affair, but you're able to have the solar panels on the ground, so no more putting them on the roof. As you can see here, we've got a very nice awning, almost the full length of this trailer, and it does have outdoor speakers as well. So we're going to go on in. Another good point is 3 steps, so you don't have to lift up very far. You're going to come right on in here, and a nice grab handle. What I found as an RVer is a lot of times you're carrying something in or something out. So just with a little bit, I'm going to slide right by here. This is a super nice bed. Okay, I want to pull this back for you a little bit and show you that we don't just have a little foam pad here. This is a real mattress. Nice comforter that comes with it. This has not been dressed by our show team. It actually comes with the vehicle. You also have all of that storage underneath the bed. And that's a pass-through as well. So if you want to bring a paddle board or a fishing rod or a rifle, whatever the case may be, you can get there with this. It's the Rocky Mountain edition, means that it has oversized tires and it's got what they call a reversed leaf spring. So you've got much more clearance in this particular model than most trailers that are on the market today. We've got a spot over here where we can mount a television. And then I'm going to show you this closet area. So you've got shelving in here that can be modified. You can use it as a garment closet. And this is a nice place to fold up your sweatshirts, your jeans, and whatnot. You can put a few things up here. You've got LED lighting, and there's another closet on the other side with the rod. And on both sides, you have an outlet. So many times I'll have people ask me, well, my husband or myself might be using a CPAP machine, and since I'm from Minnesota, I snore. I don't have one, but I will one day. Anyway, you've got an outlet here, so you can use that for charging your phone, for having a little night light, for a CPAP machine, or whatever it is that might come in handy for you and your family. We do have a nice curtain here, so when you're sleeping and the kids are up and about, you still got a little privacy. It's a super lightweight trailer. It's very easy to tow. One of the things that I want to point out especially, other than the fact that it's got the Rocky Mountain package on it, which is the enclosed underbelly, the raised axles, and those things, is that you've got a nice bedroom, you've got a full-size sofa that will fold down into a bed for a guest, and a dinette. And check out this sink. That is a nice big deep sink, and it's got a pull down Spradius. So if you want to make some potato salad, or you want to wash off some chicken, or maybe clean, I wouldn't clean fish in here, but you get the drift of it. You've got something you can work with. Nice cabinets. These units are made in Indiana, or actually they're made out here on the West Coast, but they use all solid wood. This is not something that has a plastic wrap around it. LED lighting over the sink here. It does feature a 3-burner range top, a 21-inch oven, and a microwave. But again, in 26 feet, you don't always get all those things. Sometimes you might get less. And this unit also has a full-size refrigerator. So this is a Norcold, which has a concave freezer. Kind of handy if you ever forget something in the freezer. It's not going to melt down and get all over the place. and a great big refrigerator with a crisper. So let's go on back here. I thought this was a fabulous idea, and that is that you've got a basin, a sink, a place to store your towels, and a medicine cabinet right out here. So if someone's in the back taking care of their business, you can still brush your teeth, wash your hands, and take care of the things you need to get done. So it's got a good sized shower. I'm not very tall, so you can see that I don't take a whole bunch of room in here, but someone that's of normal height, 5'10", 6 foot, they're going to make it in the shower just fine. Has a lift down shower head. We've got a vent here and a nice skylight, so there's lots of room. And this is an upgraded feature as well. This is a porcelain toilet, just like you would have at home. So that'll last and last and last, and when you want to flush it, you just push on this pedal. So if you're thinking about going out and camping with just the two of you, or maybe you're going to bring the kids or your grandkids, it also features 2 bunks. So you've got a large bunk up here, and you've got a large bunk down here. And both of those come with the light and an outlet. So I know that my grandkids really like their media. They want that iPad. And a lot of times that has to be charged, and it's good entertainment and sometimes a lot of education as well. So very well fitted, easily towed by a half-ton truck or maybe even a Tahoe or something like that. It isn't very heavy. As you can see, we're running a special on it here. And it's got a super good price point. You can get into something like this for very little down or nothing down and a low payment every month. Please come out and take a look at this unit. It's worthwhile. My name is Barbara.Balcom. I work with Guaranty RV in Junction City. Call me, please. I'm at 541-521-4232. Barbara D at Guaranty RV. Thanks for visiting with me today.